Hello students, how are you all of you? I hope you all are doing well. With the chapter number 1, Geography, part 2. Yeah, already first chapter we have done. So now let's see the part 2 of the chapter 1, that is the Earth in our solar system. So let's talk about the solar system. Who is the head of your family? Your dad or your grandfather. But who is the head of solar system? Yes, the sun. The sun is the head of the solar system. Yes. So, firstly, the solar system is formed by, how it is formed? It is formed by the sun. And who is the head of your family? Your dad or grandfather. So, the sun is the head and all the planets are revolving around the sun. Yes? Yeah. And the 8 planets, those are revolving around the sun. Satellite, even satellite is revolving. The earth, natural satellite is what? Yes, moon. So, some other celestial body called asteroids and meteoroids. It is also called solar family. With the celestial body, those celestial bodies are also known as solar family. So, the sun is the head of the solar family. And in the Roman mythology, Sol, that is the sun god. Roman mythology, what do you call it? Sol. Solar means related to the sun. Solar means it is related to the sun. And therefore, family of the sun is called what? The family of the sun is called solar system. Now, let's see the next slide. The sun, center of the solar system. Who is the center of the solar system? The sun. Okay. And it is what? It is huge. Yes. So, it is made up of extreme hot gases. Sun is made up of extremely hot gases. It provides the full pulling force that binds to the solar system. Ultimate source of heat and light is for the solar system. Okay, so ultimately the light comes from where? From the sun. And it is far away from the earth. How much far? It is 150 million kilometer away. So that is why we do not feel tremendous heat. So much of heat we do not feel so much. Yes, why? Because it is far away, 150 million kilometers away it is. Yes, so you have to remember who is the head of the family of the solar system? The sun. Okay. Now let's see the planets in our solar system. You are familiar with the planets, yes, you have already studied in 3rd standard and 4th standard about the planets, just you were knowing about the names of the planets. Yeah, now let's just revise it again. How many planets are there? Yes, there are 8 planets in the solar system. Now we'll put that planets into the order and that also distance from the sun. Okay, so the first one, sun is in the center, remember, and all the planets are revolving around the sun. So, the first planet is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. But for you to remember easy way, I have put the formation like this way. For Mercury you can say my, and very efficient mother just served us nuts. Very easy, yes? My very efficient mother, your mother can do so many things and she is excellent. Yes? So, as she is excellent, what did she serve you in the afternoon? Nuts. Okay. So, in a formation that you can remember, Mercury, my, Venus, so for V, very, for Earth, efficient, Mars, mother, J, that is Jupiter, just, Saturn for S, served, Uranus, that is us, and Neptune for that nuts. So, this is the order of the planets according from the distance of the sun. See, all the planets you can see, the sun is over here at the center and all the planets are in the order. See, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Now let's see the planets. As the planets move around the sun in a fixed path, you know that the planets are revolving in a fixed path. So these paths are anglotid. Okay, it is not that circle, it is anglotid. So these are called orbits. They are revolving into the orbits. So until recently, August 2006, Pluto was considered a planet. Okay, but as it is the smallest planet, so however in meeting of the International Astronomical Union, it was said that a decision was taken that it is a celestial object, but due to this object was discovered recently that it is a small planet. Okay, and so yes, it revolves around it, but due to as it is small planet, it was been not counted into it. Okay, it was discovered that it is very small planet, and Pluto was also known as dwarf planet. Going to the next planet, which are the inner planets and which are the outer planets. There are 4 inner planets. They are very close to the sun and they are made up of rocks. So which are those 4 inner planets? Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. These planets are inner planets. And next is outer planets. There are 4 outer planets. They are very far away from the sun and they are huge planets, and they are made up of gases as well as liquids. So Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. So this we talked about planets. So I hope students the concept is clear to you about the planets. The part 2 was only we have talked about planets. Thank you.